Danger, keep out. It's my favourite word. Did you recognise my glasses? And they're pretty dumb. Never driven one of these before.
Yeah, please.
Jerry's getting points deducted. Hi guys, welcome back to another one of my videos. And today we're going on the little RC cars with me and Jerry and the cameraman. I've got my red car, which for some reason it isn't really working that well. And then we've got my spray painted one, which we did in another video, which you have to go watch after this one. Did you recognise my glasses? Do you want to know what's really cool about these glasses? I actually made them with my 3D pen. Made these all by myself. Got a lot of 3D things that I've made. So, now we're at Jerry's. Whee! I just jumped off a ledge with my sick glasses. Oh, this looks fun. Do you like my glasses?
Yes, they're epic.
Guess what? I made them all by myself with a pen.
Right.
My 3D pen.
Yeah.
At the car racing. We're pretty dumb because we didn't bring sunscreen. Danger, keep out. It's my favourite word. I'm trying to turn around so I can go into the river. I will it actually works. Oh, this is wobbly. I feel scared that I'm gonna fall. Okay. On your marks. Get set. Choo! I think I might lose that race. I hope that it's fixed now. Yay, it's fixed. This is probably one of my favourite cars as well.
Oh,
now I'm going to go up this waterfall with my red car. Risk it for the biscuit. If I do this first try, you're gonna get me some chocolates later. Deal? If I make it up here first try, then you gotta buy me some chocolates later. Deal? Deal?
What a negotiator.
Now I'm gonna really try hard. I nearly just fell off there. I get some chocolates! Yeah! I get some chocolates! I do that, but I'm gonna go down the second bridge. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle bells. That's how my dad drives on the highway. Jingle bells, jingle bells. No way, I just did that. That's the thing that I wanted to do, to be honest. It looks fun. I'm gonna go across this very skinny bridge on Jerry's car. So I'm gonna start nice and steady. Nice and steady. That was actually first time I've done it. First time having so much fun right now. And it was amazing. Wow. Wow. I need to try that again. I did it again. Ow, just there. Oh, I'm riding on that. I was riding on that. Everybody at home, just here to let you know I was riding on that instead of the truck. Okay, here comes the hard part. I'm doing the competition, and you gotta go through these like little tennis balls. If you hit one, that's -2 points. That's +2 points. And if you're like stuck and you have to move it, that's +5 points. And the lower, the better the points. You just gotta try not and get a high score.
I'm down here.
That was a brilliant save there, to be honest. This is what I'm good at. I'm trying to concentrate.
Oh, that one. Oh, yeah.
Which way are you going?
What are you doing there?
That was quite bad.
That's quite bad.
You did good. You distracted me.
The pressure's on. Alex has done the course. She's shredded it with the TRX4. I'm on the Capra. We adults have got to stick together.
Oh,
You're kidding me, right?
one person. I didn't expect to do. Wait while I get the ski.
It's been emotional. The kids here are harsh markers. They set up tough courses. Demoralised. I'm never coming back.
Take two. So now we're going to watch Jerry do the rock wall course. Don't tell Jerry that I said this, but I don't think that he's going to do it. He's only got 1,025 seconds left. Jerry's getting points deducted.
Oh my god!
2 kids.
I'll stop the timer and just let it run in. Record it anymore.
Well, that was the worst result I've ever got ever.
Take three. I have had one of the best days ever. It's been actually quite a good challenge, to be honest, to do something that I've never really done before. You should probably come here. I'll see you in series 23. I think episode 11. I've forgotten now. It's too many episodes. Even probably slide on it. Ready? Fasten your seatbelts, everybody. This is gonna be a bumpy ride. Whee! I just slid down it. Never driven one of these before. I'm trying to figure out where the jumps are. You distracted me.